Good afternoon, students. Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Audible, no? So, good afternoon, students. Welcome to Sri T.P. Bhatia Junior College of Science. And myself, I am Ronald D'Souza. I would like to introduce my colleague, Avni Miss. She is also teaching EM subject. And later on, she will going to present you the PDF and as well as the presentation. What is electrical maintenance? Electrical maintenance is a subject which deals with the study of different types of house wiring. So we have different types of house wiring like two-way wiring, three-way wiring, go-down wiring. And also it deals with the study of different types of motors used for the domestic appliances, like for your food mixers, then you have the water heater, you have the electric iron, vacuum cleaner, etc. This is a very interesting subject and it is very easy to understand. So this subject, you know very well, carries 200 marks. Maximum marks will be given to the practical. So practical carries maximum marks and only 40 marks, 80 marks will be for theory subject. So I feel this is one of the interesting subject and one of the interesting subject to know about the electricity. So now further, ma'am will explain the importance of electrical maintenance and the portions and the syllabus about this subject. So switch on to Avni ma'am. Yeah, you can continue. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, students. I hope you all are safe and sound at your homes in this COVID times. You're not moving out of the house. Okay. So first of all, what electrical maintenance is, sir has just given a gist about it of what is electrical maintenance. The name itself says something which is related to electricity. Okay. Coming down to y'all, for the students specifically who want to opt for engineering. Okay, if you're opting for engineering, then the science subjects, do you know all the science subjects? We have English, physics, chemistry, maths, biology and Hindi. If the students have opted for general science, then these are the 6 subjects, each of 100 marks, which the student is going to study for the duration of 2 years for 11th and 12th both. Okay, but if the student is taking a bifocal subject, that bifocal subject will be, instead of 200 mark subject, which may be basic, the basic idea which is there is biology and Hindi instead of bio and Hindi. So 100 marks, both the subjects will be taken out and one new subject which, will be introduced, which is called as a bifocal subject, and one of the bifocal subject is electrical maintenance. Just wait for 2 seconds, please.
Students, you can ask questions about the subject after the presentation. Okay, you can free to ask. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding this one, you can free to ask about the subject after the presentation. Okay.
सरल पटाके बंद कर दीजिए. So everyone is using electrical bulb, they have seen. So basically that works on electricity. So we introduce the subject as electrical maintenance. Mostly for the students opting for engineering and not going to the bio field, they can be opting for this subject. So like I said, If the student is opting for electrical maintenance, he or she will have to study 5 subjects only, which is English, physics, chemistry, and maths. So physics, chemistry, and maths forms the basis for your entrance exams for engineering, NATA, or for interior designing. Okay, and then there is a bifocal subject which is of 200 marks. And the subject that we are going to talk about today is EM, which is associated with electricity, electrical maintenance. Okay. Now, what is the marks distribution? When we say the subject is of 200 marks, okay, so how is that 200 marks divided? So first of all, the 200 mark subject of EM is divided into part 1 and part 2. So part 1 is of 100 marks as well as part 2 is of 100 marks, but the theory is only for 40 marks and the practicals will be for 60 marks, making a total of 100. The same goes for paper 2, which is 40 marks theory, 60 marks practicals, and 100 marks is total. So the total is 200 marks and theory will be 80 marks and the whole practical out of 200 is 120 marks. Okay. Let us see the syllabus. Okay. So again, when we say the practical is of 120 marks and 80 marks is a theory, the combination is very much scoring. The practicals are very interesting. That is the main leverage of taking this subject, that 120 marks is practicals and the student only has to concentrate for 80 marks theory, including paper 1 and paper 2 both. At the same time, the 40 marks paper 1 and 40 marks paper 2, both theory exams are also on separate days and there is enough time to study for the subject. At the same time, the subject being easy, so it is students are easily able to score more and maximum marks. Okay, so all of us have we are aware of the syllabus of 10th standard. Okay, I'm just going to show you some topics like electric spark, generator, motor, magnetism, electromagnetism, heating effect of electric current. These are the topics which we are well versed from our 10th standard syllabus. Okay, so the subjects, these topics, the basics you have already studied in 10th standard. What will be taught in the syllabus of 11th and 12th EM? Okay, so 30% of the syllabus is from your 10th. So whatever basics you have understood, you have studied in 10th standard, those form the basis for the subject of electrical maintenance in your 11th and 12th duration. So syllabus or topics which are covered in 11th and 12th EM, first of all, there's engineering drawing. Engineering drawing consists of orthographic and isometric projections. We'll just come back to that again. Then there is transformers, AC generators, which we are a bit of aware about them since our 10th standard, like DC generators, motors are there, AC motors, electric circuit, electric spark. We have studied this series connection, parallel connection, effects of electric current, electrical measuring instruments. We have some of you must have used voltmeters, ammeters. Then various electrical appliances, like how does a fan work, how does a electric mixer work, a geyser, how does it work, how does an electric iron work. Okay. Then wiring accessories, wiring systems. So wiring systems is a basic house wiring, which because of which the way we are getting electricity and how we are able to use them in our household. Okay, without electricity, can we imagine our life? It's very difficult because we are completely dependent on electricity. One hour if the light is not there, we panic so much. Okay, so basic understanding of how electricity comes to our place and how much it is important to us. Then illumination is lighting. Without lighting also it is very difficult, right? Without fan and light, that is a basic needs to us as of now. So what are the advantages of taking EM? One of the advantages is that if the student is opting for engineering, specifically engineering in any of the fields, the first year of engineering comprises of 2 subjects. One of them is engineering drawing, which will be well versed and covered in your 11th and 12th syllabus of EM. And the second one is basic electrical engineering. Even that approximately 50% of the portion is covered in your 11th and 12th. So students who pass out 12th standard with the EM as a bifocal subject, they find these two subjects very, very easy compared to the other counterparts. Okay, because they have already studied that. And these two subjects are one of the tricky, or probably students fail in these two subjects in the first year. Most of the KTs happen in these two subjects. Okay, so that is one of the advantage if you're specifically going for engineering field. Any of the engineering first year, all the subjects are compulsory. Even if the student is opting for architecture, wants to opt for architecture or interior designing after 12th standard, even there the engineering drawing plays a very, very important role. What fields we can be taking after 12th standard? If we have taken electrical maintenance, you can be going into any engineering field, you can be going into anything. Okay, so the basic what people must be following is, after taking electrical maintenance in 11th and 12th, most of them, they choose to continue with electrical engineering. Even the students go for electronics engineering, electronics and telecommunication, aeronautical engineering you can be going for, computer engineering you can be going for, IT, mechanical, biomedical, architecture, aerospace, anything you name it. Okay, everywhere an electrical engineer is required. If not an electrical engineer, a person who is having a basic knowledge of electrical field, that is an added advantage to your degree that you will be taking in any of the engineering fields, or anywhere rather when you go. Okay. What are the career opportunities if the students are sticking to electrical field? Then they get jobs into many government sectors like MSEB, BEST, power generation stations, oil and gas, marine, construction, railways, aerospace. If you're not opting for electrical field, still you can be choosing your own path, not a problem. But if at all, like students, what happened, once they take EM, electrical maintenance in 11th and 12th, they grow fond of the subject and then they think of continuing it over there. Many students go for other fields also. If the student is, it is very much beneficial for the students who are going to take engineering. How? First of all, we have 2 entrance exams to crack in order to get admission into engineering, that is JEE and MHCET. So the PCM portion which is there, in order to understand the PCM portion for JEE and MHCET, also the EM syllabus is very much helpful. Okay. Even when the students are opting for architecture or interior designing, there is a special test, entrance test which is conducted, which is called as NATA. So the engineering drawing part is also very much useful for the preparation of NATA. Okay, so maximum students who opt for engineering or architecture or interior designing, probably they go for this subject because the scoring, the subject itself is beneficial in so many ways, plus at the same time easy to study, easy to score marks, so your 12th percentage automatically increases. Just by attending lectures, no extra efforts are required for the subject. Okay, just by attending the lectures and doing things on time, the students are able to score or are able to increase their 12th percentage, as well as they are able to score better in JEE and MHCET also, other entrance tests also, because they are able to give that much extra time to those core subjects. What are the benefits, main benefits of electrical maintenance? One of them is that it is a practical oriented subject. As we just saw, 120 marks, 120 is too many marks. Okay, it's like more than one subject. 100 marks का एक subject होता है, उससे भी ज़्यादा का खाली practicals है. So it is a practical oriented subject. It is fun to do. You learn certain new things. And one of the reasons, because of it being a practical oriented subject, it is easy to score marks. It is a 200 mark subject again, which is 120 marks practicals and only 80 marks theory. Plus in that 80 marks also, it is subdivided into 40 marks. It is very, very easy to score minimum 35 out of 40. If you have just attended the lectures and not even extra study वगैरह कुछ नहीं किया, then also. It also helps to improve the board percentage. Like I said, since your 200 marks, out of 200 marks, you will be able to score 180, 190 plus. So overall, your board percentage increases. And every year our college has a record that students are able to score full marks, 200 on 200. In fact, most of the students, 90% of the students, they score above 190 out of 200. So here is a list of certain students who have scored full marks over the years. These are some students. There are many, many more coming to our lab, our EM lab. The EM lab in Shri T.P. Bhatia Junior College of Science is one of the largest EM labs in the state of Maharashtra. Okay, so just we will have a look of how big the lab is and what all is there. As we can see, these are the wiring experiments which are conducted over here. We have different panels. These panels consist of motors, transformers. You'll actually be able to see them, visualize them, and then do the practicals on them. Okay, on these panels, some various other experiments are also performed. Here, these boards are there on which the wiring experiments are performed. These are the students. They're finding it very interesting to do the practicals. This is they are doing the practice. They are building an extension board basically. So we all might have needed an extension board at some point of other in life. It happens that there's a switchboard and there's only one plug in it. So we require more number of plugs, or we want to extend the wire. We want to reach out it somewhere. So these students are building one of their own. Okay. This is a practical related to fluorescent tube light, which is we see every day at our homes, and we are even using them. So how it works, how are the connections to be done? So basically, it makes you yourself sustainable to understand how things work, and some things you can be doing it on your own also. Though we do not expect you all to do it till the duration of 2 hours without the guidance of the teachers. Okay, I'll just share a small video.
Shri T.P. Bhatia College of Science of the Kandivali Education Society offers vocational bifocal subject Electrical Maintenance. This subject, Electrical Maintenance, is very useful to the students pursuing admissions in engineering, architecture, and interior designing. The benefits of this subject are numerous. Electrical maintenance is a practical-oriented subject that deals with the study of different types of domestic appliances, generators, motors, and their maintenance. This is a very scoring subject with 200 marks, out of which 120 marks are for practical and 80 marks for the theory. The college has a record of 100% marks in this subject since last several years. Students specially opt this subject to improve their percentage. Shri T.P. Bhatia College of Science has the largest electrical maintenance lab in Mumbai, fully equipped with all types of electrical machines and gadgets such as generators, transformers, motors, etc. Industrial visit is a part of our co-curricular activities in this subject. The visits to several industries like Delta Electronics, Arva Electricals are conducted as a part of their study. It gives students opportunity to ask questions to the people working there and develop their skills. Our past students gave their testimony about the valuable inputs this subject teaches them, and while they are studying at several IITs, colleges of architecture, engineering colleges all over India, they define that this subject has helped them in becoming a better engineer. So, opt for the subject electrical maintenance in our college if you want to become an engineer, architect, interior designer, or you want to start your own business.
Hi everyone, this is architect Shravya Suvarna, an ex-student of Sri T.P. Bhatia Junior College of Science. In order to prepare for NATA, I had to look up a subject that could help me score more with less efforts, and with the right guidance from my seniors, I opted for electrical maintenance. Now, EM has topics like engineering drawing, building services, wiring system, etc., which are also some of the topics in my NATA and architectural curriculum. Since I was already apt with these topics during my 11th and 12th, I could score better in compared to the others in line. I can handle any electrical driven emergencies, be it on site or at home. And I think it is important for all of us to know the basics of this subject to be able to be self-sustained in future. Seeing the benefits what the subject has to offer, I could also ask my sister to take up the same route, and today she is doing IT engineering. All the best everyone.
Okay. So we feeling excited about the subject, students?
Students can give you a response. And if you have any questions, you can ask us. Don't feel hesitate to ask, okay?
Okay. If you have any questions, students, you can just raise your hand. Yes, Amit, you can
Yes.
unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Mukul. Ma'am, your mic is mute.
You can turn on your video.
Yes. Actually, I wanted to ask that I want to do architecture, but many of them suggested me to take mechanical maintenance. So, according to you, which is better, mechanical maintenance or electrical maintenance?
See, it depends on your choice actually. Both are fine because the practical marks is the same for 120 marks for mechanical maintenance as well as electrical maintenance. Okay, so you can just go through the syllabus of both of them and you can compare like which you will be more inclined towards.
Yeah.
Because
And they
ultimately
both,
both of them are going to help you out.
yeah, both the subject having the engineering drawing. Okay. So architecture means you required engineering drawing, and both the subject having the same topic, engineering drawing. Okay. It is
Okay.
your choice. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You want, I can show you a short video regarding practicals, how the one of the practicals which are done, wiring.
I'm sure.
Yeah, just mute yourself.
Students.
Yes.
So this is one of the simplest experiment, one lamp control at one places, what we are using in our homes. Okay.
So this is a very basic experiment. One of the experiments is like this. Yes, we have Ashutosh. You can just turn on your video and unmute yourself. Ashutosh.
हाँ हेलो मैम
Yeah, you are not visible, better.
तुम
Yeah.
हेलो मैम
Yes, Ashutosh.
मैम आई वांट टू नो ये केमिस्ट्री का लेक्चर कब चालू होगा
Beta, we are talking about electrical maintenance subject, right? So when the lectures will be started, you will get the message from the college.
थैंक यू
Yeah. Okay, students, are we having any questions? More questions regarding the subject? See, as we have seen in the video, students mostly take the subject to score better in their 12th standard. So can they, so that they can land up into a college of their own choice. Okay, it's very important to increase your 12th percentage, as well as it is very important to increase your JE score or MHCD score. So that can happen with a subject if you're choosing the subjects wisely. If you're choosing electrical maintenance, just by doing lectures, regular lectures, no extra studies required for the subject, you will be able to score at least, I'm talking about theory, at least 70 out of 80. Okay. At the same time, the extra efforts you will be putting into your core subjects, which is PCM. And because of that, we will be increasing your JE. You'll be able to crack your JE or MHCET in a good way. Okay. Yes, Karan, you can turn on your video, beta.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Karan.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that once college is started, the lecture of EM will be on regular basis or once in a week or twice a week like that.
It will be on regular basis. Like other
Okay,
subjects are
yes.
taken, the bifocal subjects are also taken on regular basis
Okay, ma'am.
every week. Okay. Yes, I think Yash had some question. And by choosing EM, most of our students land up in IIT and good colleges of engineering. Though afterwards they take other branches like computer engineering, or they go for IT engineering or any other fields, but at least they are able to score better. And they have that itch over the other students, that they are also having the knowledge of electrical field. Because when you go out after you complete your engineering, you have to have a overall knowledge of things, how things are going to work around you. Okay, so if you have that knowledge whenever gained, it is never going to get wasted. Somewhere or the other in life, you are going to use it. It will be useful to you. So I request maximum of the students to take this opportunity and take electrical maintenance as a subject, as many as possible, so that you can improve your knowledge, you can improve your 12th score, you can improve your JE score and get into good engineering colleges of your choice. Because if you are not going to have your good 12th score, you will not get into the colleges of your choice. Yes, So we shall just conclude by this. Okay, we will end up the session.
Any student
All
having
the
doubt?
doubts are cleared.
Yeah.
Students are very smart. Okay.
Do you want to ask anything about electrical maintenance? Please ask.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's conclude, sir.
Yeah, one more student.
Yes, Krish. Krish, you can turn on your video, beta.
Or let them ask. No problem.
Yes,
Question.
Krish. You can unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, this subject is available in PCM, right?
Be a bit louder.
Ma'am, this subject is available in PCM, right?
Subject is available in
Hello.
PCM.
Yes, the subject is available with PCM. You have taken computer science, I guess. So in place of computer science, you can opt for EM.
Yeah, and if any of you wants to change the subjects, change the subject which you have already taken, you can have a word, or you can contact Ashish sir or Rama or Sujit, any one of them. You can talk to them. Okay. Yes, Krish, I hope you have got your answer. Okay. Okay, we will just end the session. Bye, students, all of you.